picking up at Paris now. Siling-iling-iling! Hey. What's that? Oh, what did you do with your shoes? Tingnan niyo, oh. She keeps pulling the laces. Burot ni mo na. Come na. Meow? Is that a cat? We're at Ate Paris' school now, guys. Ay, nakalabas na si Inday. Say hi sa Ate B. Say hello ba?
Hi.
Just big girl naman ang outing Ate Paris, oy.
Mine. The kitten I really want. Is this one.
Why, do you have options?
Yeah.
Show
These
me.
are the ones. And do you know which one I want? I want this one.
Ah,
That one's cute because I like the colors on her.
that's alright. You can't always get what you want, sweetheart. You can have this one, Ling. Ling, you can have the bowl instead, Ling. Yeah. Oh! Oopsie. Oopsie. Lina.
And she's right there.
Okay, say bye-bye, ko. Because we're going. Whoop! Lenny, look at the bowl. I'll bring Lenny with you lang. Bring Lenny with you. Go with Ate Ka. Go. Come back straight away, ha? Oh, sobrang init, guys. It's 34 degrees. Ay, umiiyak na. Ate, don't leave her, nak. Don't leave her. Hold her. Nah. Sige na, go. Say bye-bye. So we can go. Is that what you want? Not ate. Fair enough. Come here. Iniwan na ang bag, oh. Ah, God.
A few moments later.
Oh, Shang! You wanna take your seatbelt too? Guys, we are ano ba to, outside the post office kasi meron tayong i-post. Show ya? Oh, show ya? Nak, you can take the thing off now, nak. So I have this Gucci tote bag. I sold it last night.
Hi. Mama, I'm her cousin.
Mabuang na tanawa na og uto ng grits. How about you help Celine take off the seatbelt? So ayan. Popost natin. Tarungin natin, B. Ang kanyang ano. Hoy, hala, grabe na jud ang ka-in-love ni Baby Celine sa niyang ate ba? So, popost natin to. And then, after dito ay pupunta tayo ng Carindale Library. So, ang ating Baby Celine ay due na sa kanyang 18-month na immunization. So, ano ba ngayon? Oh yeah, she just turned 19 months yesterday. So, last month, 18 month niya. And yeah, so June na. Sinindan ako na buti na lang dito sa Australia, guys, maganda kasi meron bang yung anong tawag?
Danny.
Uy, what are you doing? Wala, tingnan niyo, ala, awat sa ate, Nak, careful di anak, babe, please, nak. Murag kurik, tigula. Tigula, magigkay, guys, tingnan niyo, Open natin, babe. Maganda dito sa Australia, guys, kasi yung government, nagme-message sila kapag due na yung immunization ng mga kids. Ito, binakalimutan ko, guys, hindi ko na inisip. So, kaya yun. Baby, anak, excuse me, get my bag. Ano? Don't waste the grapes lang.
Hurry.
So, buti na lang, merong mga pa-reminder na ganyan. No? Celine! Shh! Ba! Lynn! Lynn girl!
Hey, girl!
Saan anak? Oh, Celine lang. Bakit si Celine? Hala, tingnan nyo. Hala, anak. She's taking over your seat. Hala, nag-move siya sa kagaya lang yung seat. Seat ng kanya ate. Ay! Tapos tigulangan, nagad niya muna ko. Ay! Lang! Oh, guys, maawa na naman ako nito kay baby Celine. Mamaya iiyak na naman to nang iiyak guys dahil sa needles. Hopefully, hindi siya
Bye.
kasi di ba minsan, usually talaga kapag nag-immunize ganyan, sila. Yes lang.
Bye. It's like sitting here. I can like reach her here. It's like easy.
Kasi kapag nag-immunize ba, ina-injikan, nagkaka-fever sila. So, yeah, Celine has been like a happy camper. And, hopefully she'll be fine. She'll be fine. Can you say it now? She'll be fine.
She will be fine.
She will be fine.
She will be fine. Ah! Fine. When I eat the tiny green grapes, it's like sour.
Yeah, the small ones. Because they're not ripe yet.
But
did you eat all your lunch lang?
I ate some of the cheese crackers and the nuts.
That's good. Itong bata natin ito ay ginugutom-gutom na ngayon guys. I think like she's growing. So every night, inaano namin siya, we weigh her para meron kaming na is she growing, is she gaining weight, yung mga ganon. So she's been gaining weight for the last few
And I
weeks.
164 last night.
Yeah, so she parang nag-standby siya before sa like 15.5, 158 no, but then last night was like 16.4. So now, kasi inaano namin sa kanya ba?
I want to be 16.1.
Uy, 16.4 na kagabi.
No, I said I want to be 16.6.
Yeah, maybe tonight. We'll see. So, ginugutom-gutom siya. Parang gusto niya kumain ba? So,
Or maybe 1 million.
tingnan niyo ang kanyang
Or maybe 1,000,000.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. My head is more round. I'm going to be like a O.
I know. You look like letter O.
Alright. Look. 1, 2, 3 is a G. Are these 1, 2, 3 is a
Shh! That's not your seat! That's not your seat! Silly
This
girl!
is your seat. I'm going to sit here now. I'm going to sit here now. Oh my god.
Okay,
Look at my
exchange.
lips. Look at my
You
lips.
exchange lang? You want the big girl seat?
Oh, I don't want to change. No, I don't want
Okay,
to
come on,
change.
let's go.
Where?
Post office. Dito na kami sa Carindale Shopping Center, guys. So, yung library ay, part siya ng shopping center. Yes, that's the only one anyways,
And I got some postcards today.
Nakatulog tong ating Ate Paris.
And we got some postcards today. We got
Anak,
Mommy's.
patient na.
She can reach it.
She can, yeah. She's a big girl. She can't wait. She can reach, but she can't wait for the door to open. It's alright, Ling. It's alright, just relax. Oh, you know what, guys? I'm not looking forward to it, to be honest. Ay, nako. She's going to cry. Ooh, wow, good job. Iyak na naman yan dahil sa karayom, anak ko. Diyos ko. Ano, worst for the parents pa. Iyak ang anak. I know. Say open. Can you say open?
Open.
Ayaw niya talaga. It's alright now, see, it's coming up now. Oh, alright. There you go. It's our turn. It's our turn. Come on. Yeah, the door is open. Alright, so Gina. G. Sorry, Lina, you can't reach that one as yet.
Yeah, you're too small.
Tinanggalan ko ng sapatos, guys. Sobrang init talaga kanina.
The only thing you can press
Gaguro to
is
siya
the
kapag...
phone.
Okay, go, go. Go.
That's the only thing.
Okay, this way. Shush. Careful.
Mine. Want to see that big trampoline that we go on? You want to see if that's here? Yes?
Yeah.
The trampoline that you like jump? And you get to like jump on the trampoline. And
Yeah.
I really want to see.
Yeah, where are you going? Where are you going? Bilis sana. Kami ng ano, kung open guys. Merong ano dyan, bakery. Yes lang? Yes, it's gonna be fine. Sabi ni Ate Paris, sa labas na siya, magbabasa daw siya ng libro. Ayaw na niyang makita na Injitans baby CELINE.
Ma, is there like chocolate in here?
Another tea, honey? Tea.
Remember the chocolate?
Yes. That's in Melbourne, I think. Yes, sweetheart.
Yeah, what is
Yes. See, the bread top there.
that?
Ooh, no, say yes. Say bread. Say, I want bread. Ay, sus, nakakita na na.
It's working now.
Okay, go.
Because remember when I was not working?
Yes.
I'm the driver.
Okay. Alright, sit down properly. Okay. How much is it? Oh, no. Nak. Coins only, manak. Oh, yeah, there's the top there on the side. Be.
Silly, mine.
Silly,
You need
mommy.
coins and this.
Yeah, it's okay lang. Mama will hold you.
So you can pick.
Start na lang.
Start. Oh, yeah.
Yay!
Treasure!
Woo! Dali na, push na. Push. Push! Wow, it's okay. Mama's here. Wow, good driving, ate. Oy!
Yes!
Good job. Tingnan niyo, bigay ko.
Yes!
Good girl. What's wrong, anak?
Scared? But I'm taking care.
How about CELINE stand? You hold the steering wheel, anak.
Yes.
Yeah. CELINE stand lang. Celine.
Slim.
Hold it. Yay! Yes, my love. Get 3 of that and give me one of these coconut bun. This one. Oh, careful lang.
And this one?
No, the other one next to it. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you.
Who might have this?
This one. Okay. Can you carry it?
Yeah. It's easy.
Go around. Yes, my love. Yeah. Auntie is playing. Yes. Laro muna guys before iyak. Well done, Mini. Ate Paris wants to read a book. Well, Mama will read a book to her. You listening?
What did you say again?
Are you listening?
Mama.
Oh, you want this one? Okay, how about we do this Mr. Grumble first? Are you listening, Ate? Mr. Grumble's name suited him well. Bah! He would grumble every morning when his alarm clock rang.
Mama.
Yes, Lang? It's the start of yet another horrible day. Bah! He would groan every afternoon on his walk in the country. I hate the countryside. One day, just after he had said this, someone suddenly appeared by magic. Are you listening, Ate? It was a wizard. A wizard to whom Mr. Grumble had the nerve to say, "Bah! I hate wizards who suddenly appear by magic." "Really?" said the wizard. "Well, I don't like people who are constantly grumbling and moaning. I'll tell you what I do to people who have bad manners. I turn them into little pigs." And the wizard disappeared, leaving behind him a very piggy-looking Mr. Grumble. Mr. Grumble was afraid that he might remain a pig for the rest of his life. Awa na, layas na. Nagihuman ng libro. I sent a message to Daddy Mike and sabi niya, I feel bad already. Do you want to finish it?
Yeah.
Okay. But 5 minutes later, by magic of course, he changed back into his old self. He set off again and happened to pass little Miss Fun's house. "Come in," she cried. "I'm having a party." Mr. Grumble went in, but when he heard little Miss Fun's guests singing and laughing, he scowled. "Bah!" he moaned. "I can't stand singing and laughing." He would have done better to have kept quiet because the wizard appeared once more. We're waiting for our turn. Celine doesn't know anything coming.
10.
1-0.
I mean 1. Just make the rubber and back it off.
I think si Celine ang kasunod.
Okay, so 10.
Good, right? Good writing, Nini.
Let's
It's finished, guys. Wow, ano man ang ating baby Celine? So, 3 injections. 2 sa isang arm, tapos isa dyan. You're brave girl? Are you mama's brave girl? Oh, it breaks my heart when I see her cry. You're a good girl. It's okay. It's okay. Do you wanna go play? Where's Ate Paris? Ate? Tumatakbo na.
Can I cut over like this?
Yeah, but not on the Buti na lang naglalaro na, oh. We can go home now. I think. Anak? Hang on. Ay, shh. Yeah, stay.
A few moments later.
It's ice cream time for Lily. She's being a brave girl. Thank you. Hey, Ate.
Oh my gosh, it's so tiny.
Hang on lang. No, yours is coming. Lily, yours is coming. Look here. Yours is coming. Okay, can you sit down please there?
Hey guys, we're having some ice cream now. Mine is...
$21.
And my flavor is Candy Wonderland.
CELINE cereal.
Raspberry.
Boysenberry swirl for CELINE. My break there.
And I still have my preppy.
Yeah, you're still wearing your uniform.
Because we don't have any dresses.
Yeah, CELINE deserve it, and you too, ate. You've been a good ate. Yummy!
Today this time we got magic to codes. Because we are the ones do magic to car.
Tell them what you're doing here.
What we're getting?
Food?
We're getting some food. Some pig today.
Wala, bigat-bigat ni naman, oy. Ang hirap nang i-push. We're done here, guys. Yung ating may binini. May bagong pram. Tiling-ling!
Do you know I'm really excited to eat this cheese?
Are you?
My favorite.
Alright, so balik na kami ngayon sa aming sasakyan. So we've done a bit of shopping there. Kailangan namin sa lunch ni Ate Paris bukas. Yeah, that's nice then. Good girl. Can you grab the thing, please? Good.
Come on, let's go. In the middle.
Hello! Hi guys, katapos lang namin mag-dinner. And this is the one we'll get ready for bed now. Hindi pa natanggal yung kanyang ano. Oh, sleeping na. Sleeping na. Nak. Anak. I can see your bum bum. Kanina gustong-gusto niyang tanggalin yung cotton ba? Ha? Nangangati siya. Nakma! Yay! Ayush! Good night, everyone! Oh no, eh. Good night, everyone. Bulingit! Magalam sa tanak. Sana hindi to siya mag-fever, guys. So, sabi ng dentist, ng nurse na. Ano? Kasi live vaccine yung tinupok sa kanya. It could take like, may side effect pa from 7 to 21 days. But yeah, hopefully she'll be fine. No. Oh, shush! Beautiful girl man kay na mong baby. Ay! What's your nose? What's your nose? Ay, shush! Nose! Where's your head? Yeah. Where's your teeth? Teeth. Teeth. Is teeth up? Lihang nga teeth. That's the one. Good job. Where's mommy?
Mama.
Where is mommy?
Mama.
Mama! Hindi siya sa mommy, eh. Mama niya siya. Where's mama? Can you point mama? Can you give mama a kiss? Can you give mama a kiss? Bad kiss ba? Can you give mama a kiss, please? Puro arti. Hello? Hala. I love you, anak ko. Sinabihan ko mag-shower, guys. Agad-agad siyang tumayo ba? Punta to siya ng shower, ng bathroom. Gustong-gusto ito magbasa-basa. Hindi nagdalawang isip na. Where you going? Lynn? Shower? Hello? Bagong ligo na si Inday. Hindi na wala ang ang green. Nak, na pentel pen. Ay, wawa naman ang baby, oh.